Alright everyone, since today we're going to be 3D printing again, I figured I'd show you my 3D printer. What the hell is all this, you might ask? Well, that's my Connect spool holder, because I was way too lazy to actually make one, so I just rigged one up with Connects. And that is my Connects camera holder. For a camera, I'm using a iPod Touch Generation 4 cracked screen, as you can see. All that really works on is the camera, so I take all my printing footage with that. Underneath we have the scraper that came with it, though I don't use it much. I have a chisel, which I actually use for the scraper, which you'll see at the end of the print. I have this brush, which you use to clean the head, which is that guy right there. Two sides to it. Really need to get stuff off. Kind of want to get stuff off. You know, maybe you're feeling a little lazy. Anyway, let's get on with the print. If you're wondering why you can't find this case online, it's because it's not online. I made it myself. Let's see here. Where's O? Where's O in the alphabet? Does anyone actually remember without like doing the alphabet? Okay, this is the case. As you can see, slide the phone up in here, click it down into the bottom. Nice open side so you can get to the buttons. Nice open bottom so you can reach the speaker, the charging cord, and the audio cord. Nice open hole for the camera. I myself am an asshole. So let's move on with Kura. This is Kura. I have a lot of icons down there. Really should fix that. We're going to load said object. To load it, you need the STL version. Open side case. Now, if we go ahead and print it in this current orientation, it's not going to go well. Because, well, one, nice overhang right here that you'd have to build support material down to, and that'd be really not fun to get out. But two, because of this nice little narrow slot right here, it would become very flimsy and might tip over during printing. So what we're going to do, going to go ahead right here to rotate, lay it flat. Well, that didn't work, did it? Alright, we're going to use these little circles. You just click and drag it. It snaps to the 15-degree positions. In Kura, this little notch right back here, that shows the back corner of the printer. Well, for my printer, I don't know what it would show for your printer. It'd probably just show home, but home is in this back corner for me. So you can see it real good. We're going to print it in this orientation, since we're going to be taking video of it anyway. It really doesn't matter what orientation you print it in, because there's no support material in it. So we're just going to go ahead and print with USB. Now what it'll do is it'll connect to the printer automatically if you have it set up to, which I do. If not, you just have to click on the little connect button and then it'll bring you to a search screen. And print.
Fight.
Here's the old phone case that I made. Just didn't like it anymore, decided to go with an open button side. So we just pop this one out, pick up the buttons, then we're going to go ahead, slide it in the top, and then prop it into the bottom. Brand new phone case.